Welcome to the Easy Garage. What's up, guys? Y'all see I got that two-door box off the trailer. I finally got it off the trailer, man. It been up there probably about 3 weeks. Going on 3 weeks. Got that thing off, but and I took my wheels off Bella. She back on factory. She back on factory. Got them tires on raw. I washed it earlier. That was my first time actually putting soap on it since I had got it painted. The guy told me that to just rinse it off for about 4 months, and after that, use that car wash. Cause as y'all know, man, that I know a lot of us do it, bro. Cause I even do it at times. But that dishwater liquid, in the long run, bro, it start to eat through your clear coat. I mean, it probably don't seem like it, but it do, man, cause you know it's designed to cut through grease. You know what I'm saying? And it'll show each of your clear coat up. So I've been just rinsing it, get my shimmy, and wipe it off, dry it. But today I actually washed it with some car wash in the pink jug. But I decided to put my wheel back on, man, because with them aches, man, I just don't like the way how it ride. You know what I'm saying? I still gotta get the suspension work done to it. So once I get that done, man, and hopefully by then, bro, I should have my other wheel. I get some more wheel put on it, major steering wheel, but I had ordered them since November, man, and they're still in the process of getting built. So with that being said, I'm gonna try to get y'all guys some drone footage of Bella. And I got my drone over here. I actually got two of them. I got the mini drone, the DJI drone. I got the mini one. This little motherfucker here. This the big one I got. I got a lens in the front. This thing here, man, ran me. I paid $900 for that one. $900 for that drone. The one, the smaller one than that one, the mini drone, DJI drone. I paid $325 for it. But I like that big one right there because it can stand wind, strong wind. But the little mini drone, that wind, it be drifting. So the wind ain't blowing today, but since I got that one out, I'm gonna use it. And that drone go like it can go a little over 2 miles out. A little over 2 miles out. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna get some footage of it, and my fuel pressure relay should be in tomorrow. It's in Jackson. It arrived in Jackson yesterday, so I should be getting that tomorrow, installing that sometime. I'm still getting my windshield replaced. It I would have been got replaced, man. I called this place in Macomb. They claimed that they ordered it, and then when I called to see how it came in, they claimed they can't find the windshield. So at the time, I just said forget it at the moment, because I was in a rush of trying to get my car right for cruising on the coast last year. and I had pretty much ran out of time, so I just took it as is. But hopefully I can have a little more thing going on with it. Done to it. I gotta finish cutting those too. And I did made my 4/6x9 holes with that ply board there. So yeah, let me get y'all guys some footage, man, and we could go from there, bro. So cut y'all guys back on in a minute. All right.